Assalamu alaikum, ladies. The other night, I almost had a domestic disaster. Picture this. I woke up in the morning and my husband casually says, "Did you know I had a friend over last night?" What? Guests? At night? With zero warning? My brain went into overdrive. Was the sink full? Were toys everywhere? Were sofa cushions on the floor? But then I remembered. I had done my 3 non-negotiables before bed, alhamdulillah. These simple practices have made me into a housewife who looks like she's on top of everything, alhamdulillah. Bi'idhnillah, these 3 steps will keep your home guest ready even if you have little ones running around. And even when you have no motivation, no energy, and no time. The thing is, motivation is unreliable. Some nights you're drained, frustrated, maybe even resentful. You don't feel like doing anything. But when motivation fails you, your routines and habits will carry you through. So what are my 3 bite-sized, manageable, non-negotiables? Number 1. Now bear with me, I know this one feels tough at first. But the more you do it, the easier it gets. You will find what works for you. My number 1 is dishes. Whether you do them as they come, or in small batches, or one big go before bed, whatever works for you. However, I would advise you not to leave them all before you go to bed, because that's when you're most tired. And it's very likely, if you see a mountain of dishes in your sink at night, you won't have the energy to do them, and you would most likely leave them till tomorrow. So it is better to do them as they come, or in small batches. Just don't leave them until tomorrow. I tell myself, this is my gift to me. Because waking up to clean counters and an empty sink transforms the way my kitchen looks and feels to me. I feel happy to get started on the breakfast. Number 1 is dishes. Number 2 is 1 load of laundry. Only 1 load. It is very easy, manageable. Anyone can keep up with it. Just 1. But do it every day. Wash it, dry it, fold it, or at least move it along in the cycle. That's how you stay ahead instead of drowning in the piles. Number 3, a 10 minutes speed tidy. Here's the trick. Resist the urge to deep clean. Deep cleaning is a rabbit hole that swallows your time. A speed tidy means picking up what's out of place, putting it back, or at least gathering it into a basket or tray. That way, random clutter suddenly looks intentional. Guests don't see mess. They see order. It looks so much tidier. Do these 3 every night. So the 3 non-negotiables are dishes, 1 load of laundry, only 10 minutes speed tidy, and your house will be guest ready, inshaAllah. And you will look like a hard-working housewife. Even if you take it easy rest of the day. I'm curious, ladies, which of these 3 do you struggle with the most? Dishes, laundry, or the speed tidy? Share in the comments so we can see the struggle is normal.